Why use custom code snippets in versus code?
Custom code snippets save time by letting you insert frequently used code patterns with a few keystrokes. In Visual Studio Code, snippets help reduce repetitive typing, minimize errors, and keep your code consistent. Whether you're writing functions, loops, or boilerplate, custom snippets can speed up your workflow and make coding more efficient.
Creating a new code snippet file.
To create custom snippets, open the command palette in VS Code by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P. Type Snippets and select Preferences, Configure User Snippets. You can choose an existing language or create a new global snippet file. This file will store the snippets you define for use in your projects.
Defining your custom snippet.
Each snippet consists of a name, a trigger shortcut called the prefix, a body with your code, and an optional description. For example, you can create a snippet that inserts a function template by specifying these elements in a simple JSON format. Use $ and curly braces for tab stops and placeholders in your snippet's code body.
Using and managing snippets.
Once saved, your custom snippets are ready to use. Start typing the prefix, and VS Code will suggest your snippet. Press Enter or Tab to insert it. You can edit or remove snippets anytime by reopening the snippet file through the command palette, helping you keep your snippets up to date and relevant.
Tips for effective snippet use.
Keep your prefixes short but unique to avoid conflicts. Use placeholders for parts of code that change often so you can quickly fill them in. Group related snippets together for easier access. Regularly review your snippets to ensure they match your workflow, and share useful ones with your team to boost productivity.